So in today's video we will try to see an example. I am opening a already written file. So this is actually code to print two squares. Explaining the code. So this is the reset. Reset is whatever code we have already written, it will reset. And from the second line, if you see, throughout you have FW, BW, TR and TL. Only these four things are there. I'll explain what is it. We just go to the tools and choose the direction chooser. So here, turn left, that is nothing but TL. Okay, if you want to move turn right, TR. If you want to change the direction, then it is forward and backward. So this is backward and this is forward. So if you want to copy the code, right, you can just do a copy clipboard and copy it in some notepad. So you'll get the direction. And if you want to do turn right T50, then copy this. So this is the code. So like this you can write the code using the direct chooser if you don't know. So for now we'll see how this code, this is the code which we have written. So now to how to understand it, just go to run and execute it step by step. Click this step by step. So now it is reset. Now you run. We'll go to the next line. So it has to move to 100. So 100, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So now we'll see it has to move forward. So it has to go like this. We'll see. So it has moved forward 100. Now from here it has to TR. TR is turn right. We'll see. Turn right how much? 90. It has turned right and now it has to go to 90. See, it went. Now backward 50. Then turn right. So then forward. Forward is how much? 90. So now backward. Backward is 100. It has to come 100. So like this you can execute. So now if you want to execute on the whole, you can just give slow and then run. So you can see each step it moves. So after moving, if you want to remove the sprint, this is called a sprint, you can just add here SH. SH is sprint height. I just run now and see. After running, you will not be able to see this. So it is executing here and in the final it will remove this. So this is the SH height. So it is simple, just 4 commands: FW, forward, TR, turn right, backward, then TL and FW forward. So only 4 commands are forward, backward, right, left. Only 4 commands. And this is sprint height, this is reset. These are the basic commands. Here also you don't have any function trees, variables. So this is the tree. See how it forms. The tree is the way it executes. First it moves forward, then backward. That is how it is. It's the tree in which it is executed. Thank you.